In this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet. To do this, first it's going to open up Kraken, and then from the home screen you can click More, and then here to select Withdraw. Now here to select a cryptocurrency that you want to withdraw or transfer to Trust Wallet. So for this example, I'll go with Tether. And then from here you can pick the wallet address. So I already have this one called Coinbase. I'm just going to click on what it says now, so Coinbase, and then click Add Withdrawal Address. And then here you will need to pick a network. For example, I will use Optimism. Now after you do that, you want to go and open up Trust Wallet. And then on Trust Wallet you want to click Receive. And then from here select the same currency on the same network. So I picked USDT on the Optimism network, therefore I need to search for USDT right here on the Optimism network. So I already see it right here, but what you can also do is click, instead of all networks, just select the one that you want to use. So in my case that would be Optimism, so I can just search for it, so it's called OP mainnet here, and then here select it. Now click copy. And then here you can paste in your address and click continue. Then you can add a name for it. So for example, Trust Wallet, USDT, Optimism, and then click confirm. And then you need to verify that you are adding it. So they will have sent you an email and just go and confirm it and then click continue to withdraw. And then in your email, you will have something like this. So just click confirm address and then it will redirect you to Kraken. So then once you're back, just click select address and then select the one that you just added from Trust Wallet. Now just choose how much you want to do. I'll click max and then you can see the details such as the fee and stuff like that right here. And then just swipe to withdraw. And then the withdrawal has been initiated and now the money is going to be on its way to my Trust Wallet. So it can take a few minutes to show up, but that's how to transfer crypto from Kraken to Trust Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.